Hello dear students. In today's video, we will be going over questions for the 7th Science second semester exam. We will cover short answers and full answers, helping you with the most likely questions that may come up. Let's get started. Question 1. A. Fill in the blanks using the correct words given in the brackets. Answer is given directly. 1. Enamel of teeth is made up of calcium salts. 2. Things become weak due to corrosion. 3. Distillation is used for purification of impure liquids. 4. Portland cement is the most commonly used cement for construction work. 5. Anthracite is the coal of the highest grade. 1 or 2 words in the following statements are false. Correct them and rewrite the statements. Sub-question 1. Quadriceps muscles is in the arm. Answer. False. Corrected sentence. Quadriceps muscles are in the thigh. Sub-question 2. The changes occurring when the time interval is not fixed are called periodic changes. Answer. False. Corrected sentence. The changes occurring when the time interval is not fixed are called non-periodic changes. Sub-question 3. Bauxite is a fossil fuel. Answer. False. Corrected sentence. Bauxite is a mineral. Sub-question 4. In the month of February, Orion constellation rises around 8 p.m. Answer. True. Sub-question 5. Pancreas is the largest gland in the human body. Answer. False. Corrected sentence. Liver is the largest gland in the human body. See under which different types can the following changes be classified? Sub-question 1. Conversion of butter into yogurt. Answer. Chemical, irreversible, slow. Sub-question 2. Bursting of a cracker. Answer. Chemical change, irreversible, fast. Sub-question 3. Occurrence of an earthquake. Answer. Physical, chemical, irreversible, natural. Question 2. A. Write the names of the following. Any two for each. Sub-question 1. Constituents of cement. Answer. Silica, sand, alumina, aluminium oxide, lime, iron oxide and magnesia, magnesium oxide. Sub-question 2. Cell organelles. Answer. Nucleus, mitochondria, etc. Sub-question 3. Digestive enzymes. Answer. Amylase, pepsin, etc. Sub-question 4. Non-metals. Answer: phosphorus, sulfur, etc. Sub-question 5. Sources of noise pollution. Answer: traffic, construction, airplanes and helicopters, etc. B. Match the columns. Answer is on the next slide. Answer is given directly. C. Distinguish between the following pairs. Sub-question 1. Animal cell and plant cell. Answer is on the next slide. Answer is given directly. Sub-question 2. Mixtures and compounds. Answer is on the next slide. Answer is given directly. Sub-question. Umbra and penumbra. Answer is given directly. Question 3. Answer the following questions. Sub-question 1. Write the names of elements from the following symbols. Answer is given directly. Sub-question 2. What is meant by surface activity? Name 3 chemicals responsible for the surface activity of various detergents. Answer. The property of a substance of spreading on a surface is called surface activity. The substances showing this property are called surfactant. The chemical added to detergents which make them surfactants are petroleum products such as kerosene, fats, sulfur trioxide, alcohol, etc. Sub-question 3. What do we get from forests? Answer. Forests give us wood for construction of houses, furniture, farming implements and household articles. We obtain cellulose fibers, paper rubber, gum and aromatic substances. In addition, we get fruits, bulbs, roots, sealing wax, caoutchouc and dyes. Sub-question 4. What is meant by the sun enters a nakshatra? It is said that in the rainy season the sun enters the Mrug nakshatra. What does it mean? Answer. As the earth changes its position due to its revolution, a different constellation or rashi appears behind the sun every 13 degrees and 20 minutes. But this is expressed as if sun has entered a particular rashi. So, when we say sun has entered Mrug nakshatra, actually Mrug constellation is behind the sun. Sub-question 5. What does the intensity of sound depend upon? Answer. The intensity of sound depends upon 1. Amplitude of vibrations. The intensity of sound is proportional to the square of the amplitude of vibration. 2. Frequency of vibrations. If frequency is higher, then intensity of sound is also higher. 3. Distance from the source of sound. If the distance between the listener and the source of sound is less, then intensity of sound can be felt greater. Question 4. A. Give scientific reasons for the following. Sub-question 1. The sounds generated by a tabla and a sitar are different. Answer. 1. The stretched diaphragm of a table when struck produces vibrations which generates the sound. 2. The stretched string of a star when plucked produces vibrations which generates the sound. 3. In this way, due to the difference in the vibrating object, the frequency of vibrations from both the objects is different, and the pitch of sound is also different. Thus, the sounds generated by a table and a sitar is different. Sub-question 2. We should not observe the solar eclipse with naked eyes. Answer. The earth receives the harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun. During a solar eclipse, even if brightness with naked eyes, the ultraviolet rays directly enter our eyes and damage vision. Hence, the solar eclipse should not be observed with naked eyes. Sub-question 3. Intoxicating substances should not be consumed. Answer. Consuming intoxicating addictive substances can cause harm to our health. Tobacco, smoking cigarettes, consuming alcohol are bad addictive habit. Some of these also cause cancer of various organs. The functioning of the systems of the body is disturbed due to such habits. Therefore, intoxicating substances should not be consumed. B. Sketch well-labeled diagram. A prokaryotic cell. Answer is on the next slide. Answer is given directly. C. Write short notes on. Sub-question 1. Harmful effects of microorganisms. Answer. 1. Microorganisms spoil the food. In hot and humid air there is fungal attack on food. 2. Microbes produce enterotoxins and cause food toxic resulting into food poisoning. 3. Harmful microbes cause diseases in plants, animals and human. Amoebiasis, typhoid, cholera, hepatitis, gastro are caused by water and food-borne microbes. 4. Microbes cause diseases like malaria, dengue, elephantiasis, yellow fever, chikungunya, Zika fever, etc. Sub-question 2. Magnetic field. Answer. 1. Michael Faraday proposed the idea of magnetic lines of force to explain the magnetic field. 2. The magnetism of a magnet acts upon a certain distance from the magnet. 3. The space around the magnet in which the magnetic force acts on an object is called a magnetic field. 4. The magnetic field around the magnet can be shown with magnetic lines of force.
Great video. Mom,
Yes.
I found the good channel for study.
Great. Like the video. Share it to your school friends. Subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.